Hi.
This the type of shit that we grew up on. Type of shit that killers play in they whip so loud. When shit's about to go down, so lanes get the fuck on. Animals on the loose, you should have left us in the...
Comes from Compilation Gods. I just want to present you new NHL 16 game. I just bought it yesterday from internet. It's right here. So I just do unboxing, but first I just need to take out my hockey helmet, so you have to wait. Okay. So I do just normal unboxing. I just take here. We can see new cover player, Jonathan Toews, and like new features, new call playing, then Hockey Ultimate Team, and it's really looks like fun game, so I really like it. I play maybe 5 NHL games before, so I really look forward to playing this game. Thank you very much.